Thutha wa video na ya mitambo ya kamera cia CCTV gutambio nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria muthenya wa Jumamothi kuria ironania anake atatu magitunya muiritu gibeti giake guku makimuhura na mushinga. Maabitha a borithi manyitanire na aruhonge rwa DCI marambikire mihango ya gwethana na ekinae aya oreo.
Our operation at the middle of the night, to be particular, at around 3 a.m. we managed to arrest 3 younger persons at Mutwapa, whom we brought up to this place. We again went down to the neighborhood, just about 2 kilometers away from where we are, along Kibarani. We arrested one, and the last person, we arrested the last person at Chani.
Atano ya ni Brighton Naya, Mohamed Hassan, Chris Odhiambo, Evans Munyoki na Mutonyi Nzamba, aria ni agatagata ukuru wa miaka 22 na miaka 27. Kurerekana makoretwo magitwarithia na mbere ciko cia wikinae kaunti-ini ya Mombasa. Matura maria mahutitio muno ni Jomvu, Makande, Miritini, Mikindani, Changamwe na Aldina.
And we want to sound a warning to those who are involved in these crimes. I want to tell them that they can run, but they cannot run all the times. Let them know that they cannot run away from the long hand of the law.
Ruhonge rwa DCI rugite ekina yagiana ni marethanwo nao amu makoretwo makinyitanira na aria maikitio ngono. Hindi ya hithukira riri ruthigiri ni nyititwo imwe yacio iri ekina ya marahuthirire gwithara maiya gibeti kia muiritu. Grifotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mwangi wa Maina.